Hello everyone, I'm Deborah. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So you guys, one of the things that I absolutely love when I go to a Mexican restaurant are the chips and that cheesy sauce called queso. So you guys, I am not going to be denied just because I'm low carb. We're going to make some today. Thank you guys so very much for joining me. And if you're joining me for the first time, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing the subscribe button below. And remember to give this video a like and a share because that's how YouTube knows that you are loving this content and they will continue to spread it around. That helps my channel grow. Thank you so very much for your support. So again, you guys, chips and queso, absolutely delicious, and it's a lot easier than you think. So today, you guys, I am going to show you how to put it all together, but we need to start with these chips. And these are low carb. I've made these before. If you've not yet seen the video, I'll leave it in the card above. And as a matter of fact, if you've not yet put any together for this recipe, then you guys go ahead and put some together, and I'll meet you back right here in about 20 minutes. All right, you guys, now that your chips are ready, let's come in a little bit closer and I will show you how to put this cheesy queso sauce together. So the majority of this is going to be added to the sauce over at the stove top, and that being some shredded cheese, and I opted to use some shredded mozzarella along with some white cheddar cheese. That's what I have here. We've got some cream cheese, some chili powder, some jalapenos, guys, because I love it spicy. And then we're going to start off by putting together the liquid, and that being almond milk, and this is unsweetened. And then we are going to thicken it up by using some xanthum gum. And just be careful with the xanthum gum, you guys. It is not a 1-to-1 ratio with cornstarch because, as you know, in a non-keto world, we would normally use cornstarch as a thickener. Again, not a 1-to-1 ratio. This stuff can get slimy really quick. So I'm going to start off with a little until I get the consistency that I want. And then we're going to go on over to the stove top and we're going to put this sauce together. Okay, everyone, this got nice and frothy. This is the consistency that I'm looking for because once I add in the other ingredients, specifically the cheese and the cream cheese, this is going to leave me with the queso texture that I need. So you guys haven't said that, join me over at the stove. Okay, everyone, let's start assembling this sauce. So to this pan, I'm going to add my almond milk. And I'm going to let this go ahead and heat through before I start adding the other ingredients. And this is not taking long at all. It is starting to bubble. So I am going to add next the cream cheese. This has melted into the milk, and next I'm going to add the shredded cheese. And just continue to whisk until this has melted into the milk. Okay, you guys, this is now smooth and creamy. Look at this sauce. Ah, looks delicious. Okay, so now we are going to add some additional flavor to it by adding in some chili powder. And another thing that I want to make note of too, if you feel that your sauce is too thick at this point, feel free to add some additional milk. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste, you guys, before I add in my jalapenos. Because some of us like it spicy and some of us don't. So if you don't like the spice, you can end it right here once you determine that you have enough of the chili powder in it. Oh my God, you guys. That is delicious, okay? Absolutely delicious. So again, because I like it spicy, I am going to add in some chopped up jalapenos. Okay, everyone, and just like that, our queso sauce is ready. So I'm gonna meet you at the counter where we are going to get ready to give all of this a taste. All right, everyone, and here we have it, ready to serve. Okay, everyone, and here we have it. We've got low carb tortilla chips along with a delicious creamy queso sauce. Lord, I thank you. Oh my gosh. You guys, there are no words other than eat. Oh my gosh, these are so good. Oh. Everything good that I remember about having chips and queso at a Mexican restaurant, but in the comfort of my own home where I get to control the ingredients, you guys. Give it a try. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. And when you do give it a try, please do remember to give this video a like and a share. And also, please do subscribe to my channel so that everyone knows that they too can still enjoy delicious recipes that they are accustomed to having, but still keep it low carb. Thank you guys again for joining me. And remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you guys real soon on my next Fit 550. Enjoy.